And here we go again. What a pain in the ass. What's up, guys? Here I am once again dealing with the pedals, cables, bullshit. Last week the throttle cable broke, and yesterday on the freeway I'm not going to turn it, but you'll see in a minute, the clutch cable broke, pedal went to the floor. I was on the freeway and had to try to get over. That was lots of fun. Ended up renting a car just so I'd have something to run around since it was a Friday night. I had to go chase parts and get a new cable, and my daughter needs a ride, and you know how it is. So let's take a look and see what we've got. So yeah, here we go. Look at that. That's awesome. So I am spending way too much time down here in this area, and it's really starting to fucking irritate me. It's like, why does everything happen down here? It doesn't make sense. So let's get these bolts off down here, get this assembly out, and see what the hell's going on. Oh yeah, and I gotta take this clip out too. Fuck, I hate that thing. All right, let's get to it. I'll bring it back when I've got it taken apart. There we go. Am I gonna be able to see anything? No. Well, there's that broken. Yeah, it's the I can feel it, I can't see it, but it's the ring that goes around the hook here that broke off. All right, I'm gonna go undo it from underneath, and we'll pull it out from up here and take a look at it. How the hell does this shit get so dirty so fast? Damn. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be like that. What the shit? Alright, let's pull it out and get a better look. That's what it's supposed to look like. Not this mess. I don't even know what's going on there. How did that... Why do they gotta make finding the hole so damn hard? I feel like I'm back in high school. Alright, now I can go back and put the Bowden tube back in and get it reconnected to the clutch. Well, no, we're not going to reconnect it to the clutch. Gotta get it on the pedal first. I should look and see. Where is it there? Oh yeah, that looks a little worn, doesn't it? I'm sure that isn't helping. It's got some sharp edges. I'm going to go hit that with a grinder. Well, I smoothed it out. No sharp edges. But, yeah, that's pretty damn worn, so I think I'm going to go ahead and plan on replacing this clutch shaft. I got the ones that have the hole and you bolt the cable on. Yeah, I'm thinking I might do that. But not today. Today we just got to get it back together and get it running. So I did just remember that I have the shaft from the 64. So I thought, hey, and it looks in way better condition if it would focus. Anyway, but when I put it on here and compare it, it is quite a bit shorter. So I'm guessing that means I would get less pull on the clutch. Yeah. Before somebody says it, yes, I greased the hell out of it. Yeah, here we go. Finally all done. It's all adjusted. You know, I was all excited, thought I was done, and then I remembered that the damn brake spring wasn't on, so I had to do that. That is like the worst thing ever. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but it's a pain in the ass to take off and a pain in the ass to put on, and it's just always a pain in the ass. Alright guys, and you've seen my shop light before, right? Or my work light. It's a video light, and even when I'm not filming I use it because it lights all this up great. Here, I'll show you. See? Makes it much better. Alright guys, you know what to do. Share this video. You know, get me some subscribers, guys. Come on. Alright, we'll see you next time. Ooh. Ooh.